Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is fine. Have fantastic time ahead. Topic I'm going to share today is 7 tips to get job in UAE. Let's get into the topic. These are the tips which I follow to get my job. First one is create a positive atmosphere. Second, prepare a timetable. Third, prepare places to give CV. Fourth, read job description and learn accordingly. Fifth, apply online. Sixth, attend all job interviews. Seventh, update your job sites and resume. Now I will share how I practically apply these tips. First tip, create a positive atmosphere around yourself. What I did was sticking some motivational quotes on the wall and change my wallpaper on my phone. It's simple, but trust me, it will definitely work. This is how you can boost yourself. Every day, by seeing that, you will get some sort of energy and your give up attitude will fly away from you, and it will remind you your struggle you're facing in your life and the reason you came UAE. Select the quotes which are small, simple, but have great effect in you. Second tip, prepare a timetable. This is very useful for time management. Most of the people searching for job here in UAE will be in visit visa. So we will be having very less time to get a dream job. What I did was I prepared a timetable like wake up at 5, prayer 5 to 5:30, job applying 8 to 12, rest 12 to 2, again applying for job. Fix a time for everything and never make excuse like after 5 minutes we can do that, do this. If it is at 8, go and do it at 8. Never make excuses. Third tip, plan your places to give your CV. Give your CV to companies by yourself and reach maximum companies you can. Give your CV at reception and ask them to pass to HR. Sometimes they will not give, but it's okay, we can do our things correctly. No one knows where we can find our luck. There will be opening in the company you are visiting to give your resume. So if there is any openings, they will consider you for sure. So make use of every opportunities and be patient. It's very important. Do some hard work and also some smart works. Fourth tip, applying for job through online. This is the most important tip. Actually, I got my job through online. I have spent like 3 to 4 hours each day for 3 months for applying job through online. Share your CVs to online sites, websites, company websites, and to mail IDs. I applied by Indeed, Dubizzle, Naukri Gulf. I think they are very responsive. They will be adding new job opportunities every day. So check every day. For example, in online website like Indeed, there is a keyword for your job search. You can search new words, so you will be finding new job openings. Applying jobs through company websites. In some companies, there is an option you can add your resume and you can register in their website. But in some companies, there is no such option. So you can go to the career page and there will be their mail ID. So you can share your resume to their mail ID by adding one good cover letter. Fifth tip, read job descriptions and learn accordingly. I will say what I did for this tip. In every job openings in the online site, there will be a job descriptions. Read that carefully. If you find you don't know about that, don't worry. Just Google it, and there are a lot of tutorials in YouTube nowadays. So learn about that, and if you learn, update it in your resume. It will increase your chance to get that job. Job descriptions are very important, so read that carefully and learn accordingly. Sixth tip, attend all job interviews. If you're getting interviews, try your best. Always be confident. Never think like you're going to lose this. And don't get scared by seeing other people who came for interview. It will lower your confidence level. You have nothing to lose there. It's just an interview, so be confident. Before going for your interview, learn about the company and the job description they have mentioned for that post. Last and final tip, and the most important tip is update resume and your LinkedIn page. Resume is the most important thing which helps you to get your dream. So always update your resume. Recruiters will call you for interview only they find it interesting or something new. Recruiters will ask you questions based on your resume. So learn your resume first carefully. Add skills in your resume in which you are confident and most aware of. And never add something which you don't know in your resume. It will never help you to get any job. So it's all about what I wanted to share. I think it will be useful for you. All the very best for everyone who are watching this, and you will get your job as your